Today's featured car is a 1932 Ford Highboy. This one has been chopped, looks like a quick change rear end in it, maybe a Halibrand quick change rear end, and some trick suspension components back there, and some other nice stuff down to the front end, and has the 5-spoke wheels on it. This was another one of the Highboys that I recorded in the last few years at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And I lost the footage and just uncovered the footage of hundreds of vehicles that I had done over a 3 or 4 year period. And luckily just discovered the footage. And so I'll be putting all these videos on my channel here over the next year or so, however long it's going to take. Even doing one a day, it's going to take a while. But anyway, that's today's featured car, a 1932 Ford Highboy that's been chopped and has a quick change rear end. And I'm not sure of the engine size because it had the hood on it, so I can't really tell. But it was a good looker, that's for sure, a red one. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.